Are you searching for the best car DVR dash cam? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best car DVR dash cam in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Car DVR Carplay Android Auto Dash Cam. Features and specifications: play button installation type, rear view mirror, suitable for all vehicles with mirror, play button screen, display, size, 9.66-inch IPS touchscreen, play button chipset, processor/CPU General Plus, play button camera sensor, front 2MP rear 2MP, play button camera lens, front, 6 glass 170-degree angle f1.8 aperture, rear, 4 glass 140-degree angle f2.2 aperture, play button video resolution, front, 1920 1080p at 30 fps, rear, 1920 1080p at 30 fps, play button photo resolution, 12M, play button video code, H.264, play button. Battery, built-in battery is very small, cannot support working, only for save time setting. Please use original power charger when working. Play button basic features, G-sensor. Resolution, digital zoom, frequency, stream media, motion detection, cycle recording, screensaver, time date display, microphone, boot sound, key volume, setting guideline, back camera flip, in-car camera flip, with rear view mirror, with ruler, anti-surge voltage impact, waterproof, anti-fog, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, cyclic recording, automatic white balance, WDR, time-lapse video, infrared light, etc. Play button memory card, micro SD card, class 10 and 16 GB to 128 GB, not included. Play button rear camera upgrade, support max 10 meters cable rear camera. Play button add features, night vision, 2 split screen.